If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue program that I've used to lose 126 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, this is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video. I've lost 126 pounds on the Weight Watcher plan or WW plan, and I will take you along today to show you what I have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a few snacks, and then whatever I get done during the day. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, come on along and join me on my day. For breakfast, I'm going to have some avocado toast, and I like to cut the avocado in half, and then I will easily scoop it out and measure it. I'm going to weigh out the avocado. So I'm going to weigh it in grams. I have 2 pieces of a 35 calorie bread, which is 1 point each. Then I'm going to scoop out 46 grams of the avocado. Okay, 46 grams of avocado, and then I'm going to spread it on the toast, and then I sprinkle it with some everything but the bagel seasoning, and that's a good breakfast. Iced coffee. And then I'm going to top it off for the creamer with some Cafe Latte Premier Protein. And that's my breakfast. I'm having a 2 points worth of avocado, 2 points of bread, some strawberries, and a 1 point iced coffee. Going into a new store we found. See if I get some deals. Rows and rows of clothes at Rose's. I'm going to make a quesadilla for lunch. I'm going to add some chopped onions and mushrooms and chicken to my quesadilla. First I sprayed the pan, and I'm going to saute some mushrooms and onions. I cut up a small onion and used probably about 2 ounces of mushrooms. I'm going to add some chicken, deli chicken to the mixture, and so it gets heated up. I'm going to remove the chicken and onions and mushrooms and set them aside. Then I will spray the pan again and put in a 1 point tortilla till it's brown. These are the tortillas I'm using, La Banderita carb counters. They are 1 point each. Then I'm going to add my mushroom and chicken mixture. Then I'm adding some fat-free mozzarella cheese, a 1/2 cup. Spread that out. Then I'll top it with the other quesadilla, or the other tortilla, and wait till it melts. And flip it. And I serve it with 2 tablespoons of light sour cream. This quesadilla is so good. It tastes like something you would get at a restaurant. It's good, it's hot, and it's the kind of food you like to dip in sour cream. It's good. I'm going to mash up some raspberries and make a little treat out of some fresh fruit. And I mash up the berries until they get pretty soft. This is a very easy, simple dessert or fruit, or you could put it on top of some pancakes or French toast. Just eat it like it is. So once those are mashed up, those raspberries, I'm going to put some blueberries in it. Maybe a half of the container. And these I won't mash up as hard. They stay a little solid. And then I'm going to use some sugar-free Jell-O. Now what I'm using is black cherry sugar-free Jell-O. And I'm going to sprinkle the pack on it. Actually, I'm only using about a half of the pack. Then I'll just mix it up. And the Jell-O sweetens it. Just trying to mash the blueberries a little bit. I left my masher. Well, I was going to replace it, and I didn't yet. Then I'm going to refrigerate that, and I'll have it with some pull-up in a little bit. For a quick dinner, I am making 6 of these fully cooked chicken sausages with some hash browns. And I think I'll add some peppers and onions to it. So I'm going to cook 6 of those sausages. They are frozen, and I will just heat them up in some water and then brown them. I'm going to add some peppers and onions to it. Put some blend on it, salt and pepper, garlic, and let those brown up. Then I'm going to add about 1.25 cups of hash browns, kind of make a skillet. And I'm going to put some Trader Joe's onion salt on it, the potatoes. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of fat-free cheddar cheese on top. Here's the cheese. Crack. And that is going to be my dinner. It is a skillet with sausage, peppers, and onions, and some cheese. And this is my dinner for tonight. Quick and simple. I'm going to play bingo with my cousin. I'm having an iced coffee on the way. It is 1 point. Wish me luck. I'm playing bingo with my cousin today. This is the fun part about being back in Ohio.
Yeah, Chunks.
We're gamblers. We're going to play some bingo. Wish us luck. I brought my own snacks. Weight Watchers style. I brought some snacks. I have 4 points worth of pop chips. Sweet and salty. I brought 2 points worth of salt and vinegar poppables. They're crunchy snack that's a good substitute for potato chips. So I didn't win at bingo, and I came home and I'm having my last snack of the day. Some of the berry mash I made. Blueberries, raspberries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar-free Cool Whip, and that's only 1 point. This is good. Jell-O and fruit. Yummy! So that's it for my What I Ate in a Day video. I ended with 24 of 24 points available. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try anything I made. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!